How's it going, everybody? Doing a little day trip on Kentucky Lake, heading south towards Tennessee. What a beautiful day. That right there is Turkey Bay. It's a off-road RTV park, or ATV park, I'm sorry. And it's a cool place. We've been there a couple times. If you're down this way, you ought to go. Some great trails. Pretty awesome. Beautiful day today. Out here with the fam, kicking back, telling stories. Got a little bit more preventive maintenance done last night, and gonna be bringing you guys along. If anybody having trouble with your fuel gauges, trying to figure out how much gas you got, if it's not working right, kind of take you through the process to figure out if it's your gas gauge, if it's your wiring, or if it's your sending unit. So stay tuned, get her done. Guys, have a great day. Y'all have a blessed and wonderful week ahead. And God bless you. See you soon. What I'm doing today is cruising on one engine, using my starboard engine. Port engine is in neutral and turned off, and screw is freewheeling. Cruising at right at 1200 RPMs and 6 miles an hour. Out conserving a little fuel today. Enjoying today, no rush. That's what's best about this. Nowhere to be. I'm on the water, and that's where I want to be. No need to rush from point A to point B when you get to see this.